In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage team roles in Stack effectively. Ensuring that your team's roles are correctly assigned and managed is crucial for maintaining a smooth workflow within your organization. So let's dive in and get started with the process. First, you'll need to navigate to the Stack login page. If you're not familiar with this step, just open your preferred web browser and enter the web address associated with Stack. Once you're there, you should see an option that says Log in with Google. Click on that, which will redirect you to the Google login page where you can select your account associated with Stack. After you've successfully logged in, your next task is to find the account settings icon. Usually you'll find this icon situated in the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking on it will present you with a drop-down menu where you need to select Account Settings. This action will take you to the area where you can manage various team settings. Within the account settings, look for the option labeled Company Users. Selecting this will give you an overview of all the users currently linked to your account, and it's here that you can make updates to team roles. To change a user's role, identify the person you wish to update and locate the three dots positioned next to their name. Clicking on these dots will open a menu where you can choose the Edit option. You'll then see a drop-down menu under Roles, where you can modify the user's role according to your organization's needs. The available roles range from full access roles like the account owner, estimator, and takeoff operator, to viewer roles such as cost viewer, IT admin, and basic viewer roles. Each role comes with distinct permissions and responsibilities, so choosing the right one is key to your team's efficiency. For instance, the account owner role grants full access to all features and is mandatory for at least one user in your account. On the other hand, estimators can manage projects and documents, perform takeoffs, and edit reports. Viewer roles offer more limited interactions, focusing on viewing and searching within Stack without the ability to edit certain features. Understanding and assigning these roles correctly helps in adhering to your internal processes while maintaining data security. Don't forget, alongside roles, you can also customize permissions for users, which allows for further fine-tuning of what each user can access and modify. Always double-check these settings to ensure a seamless integration within your project management strategy. That wraps up our guide on managing team roles in Stack. Remember, proper role assignment helps optimize productivity and ensures everyone knows their part in the team. Feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher on managing roles. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your project management.